video, we are going to look at why the structure of an expression matters. Let's compare two expressions. 3 plus 7 times 2, and 3 plus 7 in parentheses times 2. They use the same numbers, 3, 7, and 2. They also use the same operations, addition and multiplication. But they do not have the same structure. And because they do not have the same structure, they do not have the same value. Let's evaluate the first expression, 3 plus 7 times 2. According to the order of operations, multiplication comes before addition. So we multiply first. 7 times 2 is 14, so this becomes 3 plus 14. We then add 3 plus 14 is 17. So 3 plus 7 times 2 is equal to 17. Now let's look at the second expression. 3 plus 7 in parentheses times 2. The parentheses tell us to do the addition first. So we calculate 3 plus 7 to get 10. So this becomes 10 times 2. And 10 times 2 is 20. So 3 plus 7 in parentheses times 2 is 20. This is a powerful example. The expressions use the same numbers, but the grouping changes the meaning. That is why we want students to look carefully at the structure of an expression before evaluating it. Now, let's connect this to the idea of the word term. When we follow the order of operations, addition and subtraction are usually considered last. Because of that, we can often view an expression as components that are combined by addition or subtraction. We call these components terms. For example, let's consider the expression 1,000 times 5 plus 20 divided by 4. At the main level, this expression consists of two pieces being added, 1,000 times 5 and 20 divided by 4. So we say this expression has two terms. The first term is 1,000 times 5, and the second term is 20 divided by 4. Notice that each term may have its own operation inside of it. The first term has multiplication, the second term has division. But at the main level, the two terms are joined by addition. This is a helpful way to read expressions. Instead of seeing 1,000 times 5 plus 20 divided by 4 as one long string, we can see it as one chunk plus another chunk. This is useful because students often make mistakes when they read expressions from left to right without noticing which operations belong together. For future elementary teachers, this matters because students are not just learning procedures. They are learning how mathematical notation communicates meaning. Parentheses, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and exponents all give us information about the structure of an expression. And when students learn to notice that structure, they become more flexible and more confident. So here's the big idea. The same numbers can create different expressions depending on the grouping and operation structure. And terms help us to describe the main pieces of an expression.